How to create an album on Facebook. So if you want to create an album, what you can do is you can head over right here to your three lines, then click on your name right around here. Once you're there, click on this photos option and you can see in here all of this. So you can see all your photos and a lot more. So in order to create an album, you can see in here these options right here for album. So just scroll until you can see this. And then in here, we can see this create album option. Click on this create album and then just name it to your liking. So for example, let's put in here aesthetic. Then you can also choose the privacy for this one. You can make this public, friends only, or only me. For this one, I'll just choose friends and then click on this create option right here. And then as you can see it, the album has been created. You can click on that album and then you can add photos and videos that you want added on this particular album. So that's how you create an album on Facebook. Hope we helped.